Hello everyone, my name is Agaba Philip and welcome to my course Writing and Deploying Puppet Modules. Over the last 10 to 15 years, IT infrastructures have gotten quite complex. The typical system administrator has gone from managing a handful of servers to hundreds, even thousands of servers. For the 21st century administrator, configuration management has become imperative, and no software does it better than Puppet. Automating parts of your IT infrastructure in Puppet involves the use of modules. And in this course, I'm going to be showing you how to write and deploy modules of your own. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the fundamental differences between Puppet Open Source and Puppet Enterprise, setting up a master of masters, generating your module structure with a PDK, and writing simple tests in our spec. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write your own Puppet modules and deploy them to the Forge. Before starting this course, you should have gone through getting started with Puppet. Thank you for joining me as I take you through writing and deploying Puppet modules right here on Pluralsight.